Hey, I'm Joel Lim, an analyst at Trading.Biz, and seen on Business Insider, MSN, Yahoo Finance, and more. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to log into Pocket Option, a leading trading platform for binary options. To get started here, just type Pocket Option into Google and tap on the first option here. And to get started, you'll actually need to sign up for a Pocket Option account. So to do this, all you need to do is go to this registration place here, enter your email, password, and if you have a promo code, you can enter that as well. And what you'll want to do is just click sign up. Alternatively, you could either sign up with Facebook or Google as well. This is a little bit easier, and I personally signed up with Google. Logging in on a desktop is easy. Simply fill out the login form right here. So I signed up with Google. So here I'll just log in with Google. I'll skip this section here. And voila, I'm logged in. If you prefer trading on the go, download the Pocket Option app on your mobile device. All you need to do to log in is to enter your account details and log in. To log into your demo account, simply go to your real account first, sign into that, click here, and click here. Now you're on your demo account. We always recommend setting up 2FA on your account. To do this, simply click Profile. You'll be leaded to this page. And from here, you'll see the security button. Click here. And here, you'll have the 2FA option. Activate this by clicking these two buttons. From here, you can also change your password. We recommend changing your password every couple of weeks for optimal security. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to log into Pocket Option, set up security measures, and access demo trading. Happy trading on Pocket Option.